Konnichiwa minasan. Daming sakura dito. Saya maganda dito kapag mangkay. Siguro. Ganda pala dito sa lugar namin. Tingin ko lang na. Ganda pala siya. So ako ay magre-renew na ngayon ng aking visa for 50 years. So I will be staying here in Japan for 50 years. Gusto niyo ba yun? Eh, yun ang binigay sa akin eh. Wala tayong magagawa. 50 years living in Japan. Waruko nai desho. So, gusto nyo ba na 50 years ako dito sa Japan? Tagal nun. Tagal nun. Parang kalahati na yun ng buhay mo. I will be living here in Japan for 50 years. So yung binigay sa aking visa, nakainis. Why naman? Bakit 50 years? Okay na din, since Waruko na edition na yan. Ayan, lunch muna tayo. And like what I'm always having. Only ate this one. Chocolate.
Nasa 20s ka at nagmamagaling ka pero wala kang pera, reality check muna tayo. You're not special just because you're young. You're only as good as what you do with your time. Ang 20s mo ay para magtanim, magtrabaho at mag-focus sa long game. This isn't the time to sit around thinking life owes you something. Because the world doesn't care about your excuses. Kung gusto mong yumaman, now is always the perfect time to get serious. So, let's move. First,
A few moments later.